Hello everybody, this is Jeremy Deers214 back again with another video of opening up Pokemon cards, where today I have 5 different arranged Pokemon cards, which includes Scarlet and Violet, Paldea Evolved, Lost Origin from Sword and Shield, Obsidian Flames, 2 of those. So, without further ado, we got 2 Lost Origin, 2 Obsidian Flames, and 1 Paldea Evolved at a local GameStop that I had at a GameStop at Mayfair. Anyways, without any further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at our booster packs, starting off with Paldea Evolved. This was released after, almost like a early spring 2023, I believe so, when they released the Scarlet and Violet base set. I actually got a gold, I actually finally have a gold Tinglu EX gold card, although I didn't get it on camera, but once I was making this, I actually got it right here. You guys are so happy. You wouldn't expect to get to pull this card. Throughout my Paldea Evolved collection, I actually also pulled a Ice-Q EX full art. So cool to see it. And then I actually pulled a Vaporeon art card through Obsidian Flames. And then I actually pulled a 2 Gold Star Rare Gersha Trainer art card. Now that was so cool when I first saw this. Even some trainer cards gets to be pulled from the collection throughout the Scarlet and Violet era of Pokemon cards. Here's your question: what is your favorite Pokemon trading card game set that you have owned in your collection? Anyways, without any further ado, let's start up with Paldea Evolved set. I've been doing a lot of things in my lifetime, so this means I will be getting to some boxing and later on some animations for the future. Okay, here we go. There's our code, which I barely don't need right now. Anyways, we got a basic fire energy. You got a Golfita, a Meryl, this is different. This is a new one. Wingull, a Pineco, a Toxicroak, a Crunchrolla, a Pelipper, a Larvitar reverse, this is the first reverse. And here we have a Magnemite, which is another reverse. And they got a Glimmora as the holo card. This is what I like about Pokemon Scarlet and Violet cards. This is where you actually get some really good cards and guaranteed holo cards. Where it not just a run reverse and a run rare or regular rare like in the past like the Sword and Shield era. Speaking of Sword and Shield era, here is my Lost Origin, my first Lost Origin pack that I'm going to be opening for today. So of course we got this really beautiful art of shiny Gardevoir. Let's see what we get in Lost Origin for the first. This set is way different than the Scarlet and Violet set, than what it is in the Scarlet and Violet sets, because you're going to grab 2, 3, 4 cards, put it up front, and turn around and leave the rarest one for last, which is so different. And even in the Scarlet and Violet sets, it has the silver border like in the international releases, but for the Sword and Shield era, until Scarlet and Violet changed, it has a yellow border. So we got a Dark-type energy to start off, Galarian Starfisk, a Box of Disaster, we got Hisuian Sliggoo, that is new for my collection, we got Wurmple, I've seen that, I've seen Tynamo, I've seen Seedot, I've seen Horsey. It would have been so cool if I get a Radiant Gardevoir. Anyways, we got Meditite, Rhyperior Reverse. Okay! looks like we got the legendary Pokemon of this distortion, Giratina V, in the first Lost Origin pull of the day. Alright. Not bad. Not bad. Would have been more cooler if I get a Giratina V-Star or a Rainbow Rare Giratina V-Star. That would have been so awesome to have in my collection. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out the newest Scarlet and Violet set, Obsidian Flames. This is one of the most newest and recent cards that they just added into the Scarlet and Violet series. Here's the question. Which Pokemon do you think it would be cool to have for your team? My guess would be maybe a Meloetta if he actually has some good stats since it returned into the home update. So yeah, here's the code card. Let's do the Scarlet and Violet to fix up. There we go. Well, okay, I think I see something back there. We're gonna wait until later on. We got a basic Psychic Energy, a Magneton, okay, a Tinepole, a Heatmore, a Toxel, a Solrock, okay, we got Houndoom, a Granbull. Let's give me a moment. So, hopefully it would be cool if I get any cooler card with the gold cards as well. Maybe the full art cards might be so cool. We got a Granbull, reverse Vulpix, another Granbull, but with a reverse this time, and the final card I'm gonna pull is a Scizor Holo. This obviously looks really not that bad. Scizor is actually a really nice Bug and Steel type Pokemon, but it has 4 times weak to fire, which does suck. Well, hopefully we might give Scizor some more attention later on in the future. Possibly give it some better skills that can actually defeat the other types than fire types. Anyways, second to last booster, which is the Obsidian Flames again. Oh. Alright. Okay, got everything out the way. Let's get the code card out the way. Put something good up the front, and it's just a Psychic Energy, but who cares? Let's just move on. We got Wiglet, Shuckle. Shuckle, if you have watched Dorkly, you have seen the Shuckle as this little joke series. Anyways, let's move on. We got B-Sharp, Magneton. Hey, Umbreon. Umbreon's back. So good to see you again. Lapras, Masquerain, Meltan, a Cargadget Reverse. Oh, okay, we got a low-tone Toxtricity as the Holo card. Well, I was trying to be like Unlisted Leaf, you know that YouTuber, for a moment. Anyways. Oops. Okay, there we go. That's much better. Now we got a Leaf-type Energy, the last pack for the day, and Lost Origin. Here we go. We got a Silcoon, Machoke. Oh, I think I see something back there. Ice Scan, which is from Legends Arceus. Rockruff, the Seal, Hisuian Zora, a Snover, a Machop, a Darkrai Reverse. Oh, okay. We got another good hit, but this time we have a Aerodactyl V-Star. That's a double good stuff. We got Giratina V first, and now Aerodactyl V-Star. That is not too shabby. Not too shabby, okay. And it looks like I'm out of sleeves, but hey. It's just a V-Star, regular V-Star. Nothing like that won't bother. Well, anyways. So you might be wondering, what are these two figures doing here back there in the background? Because I actually found those as well. I got into battle figurines, so hopefully I found my favorite Pokemon of them. First one, so I came across was Vaporeon, which is one of my favorite evolutions of all time. Don't say anything about whatever you thought about Vaporeon. That might be disgusting, but don't say anything else. He actually looks really nice and cute in a figure form. Here's the back of the box. It looks like this. Here's some of the other figures you can collect. We got a Horsey and Litwick, Pikachu and Goomy, Roselia and Poniard, Glaceon, which I have right back there. We'll get to that soon. And we also have Umbreon. Let's go ahead and unbox Vaporeon. Oh, Vaporeon's free! Okay. So, what it also included is this little manual that shows which other figures that are available, and one of those that you got to find. So soon you can go catch them all. We got a Luxray, Flagon, Carvanha, Snorunt. We got a different pose of a Pikachu, Poniard, Galarian Darmaka, Tyrant, Horsey, Kabuto, and a Onomite. Let's just keep going into the let's have a look at the figure itself. There we go, the camera focused. It actually looks really cool, and it actually stands out from the rest, but sadly the tail and the head can't move, which is a bit sad, but hey, it doesn't matter because we have adjustable legs ready to do a battle pose, so that Vaporeon is about to use Water Gun or Hydro Pump. That can work like this. Or like this. I'll just leave it out like this, so Vaporeon can battle against the next Pokemon I'm unboxing. It's gonna be Glaceon. It's gonna be Glaceon. So here's Glaceon in package. The back looks the same, like Vaporeon. So yeah, it's articulated battle figure of Glaceon. Looks like it's ready to use Ice Beam. Let's unbox them. Let's go ahead and unbox Glaceon. In here we got the same list from earlier. And now let's get Glaceon out. I think it must have been trapped in ice. I guess it must have been a ball of snow. There we go. Sorry about it was the plastic that was doing this. Okay, now that we got Glaceon freed from the icy boxed prison, let's have a look at it. What's different about Vaporeon than Glaceon and Vaporeon is that its head can move. Its head can move. It's quite cool. Of course, I can move the legs just like the other Vaporeon figure. So you can use it as a ice type attack. But possibly you might use Ice Fang. Let's get a close up of this. You might use Ice Fang like, hey, Glaceon, no, get back up, back up. Okay. Well, let's stand up. Let's stand it up. And let's have Vaporeon go up against Glaceon. Here we go. Vaporeon versus Glaceon. Who will win? Glaceon, Ice Beam! Oh, that didn't do much. Alright, Vaporeon uses Aqua Tail. Oh, not very powerful, but it knocked him out instantly. Rest in peace, Glaceon. Vaporeon wins the battle. But yeah, this is how fun goes when you're about to have fun with the Pokemon figures and actually really add nice addition to your Pokemon figure or evolution collection. So yeah, that is probably going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.